Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? Our lesson today is lesson 10:4, perimeter and areas of similar figures. We are going to continue our lesson and solve more exercise about this lesson. Here we have the first exercise. The scale factor of the dimensions of two similar pieces of window glass is 3 to 5. The smaller piece costs $2.50. How much should the larger piece cost? Here we have the scale factor and we have the price of one of the pieces and we need the price of the other pieces. First, the scale factor is A over B equal 3 over 5. If you have a price like that, this is the price of the smaller piece. So you have to use the ratio of the area. The ratio of the area is A power 2 over B power 2. It will be equals 3 power 2 is 9, 5 power 2 is 25. Now you can use E. So 9 over 25 equals the price, this price for the smaller piece. So I'm going to write it up, 2.50, and I need the price of the larger piece. Now we have the equation. To find x, you have to multiply 25 by 2.50 over 9. 25 times 2.50 divided by 9. The answer is approximately $6.94. So again, if you have a price and the scale factor, you have to use the ratio of the area to find the other price. Another exercise. The triangles at the right are similar. We have two triangles here are similar. What is the scale factor? You need to find the scale factor. And what is the ratio of their perimeters? So in this question, we have two parts. Scale factors and the ratio of their perimeters. Let's find the scale factors first. Here we have area number 1 and area number 2. Let's find area number 2 over area number 1. It will be 50 over 98. 50 over 98. By using simplify, 50 over 98, it will be 25 over 49. The ratio of the area is like that, A power 2 over B power 2. So we have A power 2 over B power 2 equals 25 over 49. We need to find the scale factor. Scale factor means we need to find the A over B. But here we have A power 2 over B power 2. So just make square root to both sides. So you will get A over B here equals square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 49 is 7. So the scale factor is 5 over 7. What about the ratio of their perimeters? I told you yesterday that the ratio of the perimeter is like the scale factor exactly. So the ratio of perimeters equals also 5 over 7. Doesn't change. The scale factor is like the ratio of their perimeters. Another exercise. The area of two similar rectangles are 1,875, 135 feet square. What is the ratio of their perimeter? First, we need to find the scale factors. Here we are going to find A power 2 over B power 2 because it's area. We are going to use A power 2 over B power 2. The area of the first is 135 and the second is 1875. If you change the place, no problem. The larger over the smaller, no problem. They are the same. So 135 over 1875, the answer is 9 over 125. We need to find A over B. So you are going to make square root for both sides. Square root. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 125 is 5 root 5. Square root of 125 is 5 root 5. But we don't have, or we cannot write square root down. So make it simplify. 3 over 5 square root 5. The answer is 3 square root 5 over 25. By using the calculator, no problem. Now you have the scale factor. What about the ratio of their perimeters? The ratio of the perimeter is like the scale factor exactly. So the ratio of their perimeter will be the same. 3 square root 5 over 25. 3 square root 5 over 25. Another exercise. Two similar rectangles have areas 27 and 48 inches square. The length of one side of the larger rectangle is 16 inches. What is the length of the smaller rectangle? Here we have the area of the two. Similar, the area we are going to use this rule. A power 2 over B power 2. So A power 2 over B power 2 equals 27 over 48. This is the ratio between the two areas. The other question is the length of one side of the larger rectangle is 16. What is the length of the smaller rectangle? What is the length of the smaller rectangle? We have a side length and we need to find the length of the other. How can find it? By using the scale factor. We need to find the scale factor. So you are going to make square root of 27 over 48. It will be A over B will be 3 over 4. Now you have the scale factor, no problem. You have to use this scale factor to find the other length. How come? Here we have the length of one side of the larger rectangle. We have the length of the larger rectangle. So 3 over 4 will be equals. The larger is 4. So you have to put 16 here. And you need to find the length of the smaller one. So x equals multiply 3 times 16 over 4 will be 12 inch. Another exercise. The scale factor of the dimensions of two similar wood floors is 4 to 3. It costs $216 to refinish the smaller wood floor. At that rate, how much would it cost to refinish the larger wood floor. Again, we have the scale factor, and we have a price of one of them, the price, so we are going to use the area. You have to find a power 2 over b power 2. So it will be 4 power 2 over 3 power 2. It will be 16 over 9. Now you have the ratio between the areas. Use it to find the other price. How come like that? 16 over 9 will be equals. This is the price of smaller or greater the smaller. So you have to put it up or down. Yes, excellent. Down. Because down is the smaller. 216 here. And I need to find the other price. X will be 16 times 216 over 9. 16 times 216 over 9. The answer is 384. 384. 16 times 216 divided by 9 is 384. I hope you understood the lesson. Don't forget your online assignment. Have a nice day.